it's Lance from JRG. How are you doing? I hope this is finding you good. It is November 17th when I'm recording this. So we're getting into the time of the holidays. So the video I wanted to share today is just a really quick one, twofold. If you're looking for something for yourself or to overlander in your family, these might be some options to consider, and I'm sharing with you why I bought them. So number one, you've seen my other videos on Harbor Freight tools. As I stated, I've gone with them because the batteries, might as well stay with the tool that you have the batteries for. Very easy to get. You can get some deals a lot of times with them, buying the batteries and getting the tools for nearly free or nothing. This tool here is their electric chainsaw, 20 volt. It is the model 19112C/B, compact 20 volt. Why I went with this is up until my Jeep went down about a month ago, I was planning on the 7-hour plane crash trail, upper Wisconsin, having looked at some other videos of people traversing that trail. I did see there were some instances where you might require a chainsaw being with you just in case you got into trouble. So I thought, why not? Between the battery deal, like I told you, if you watch Harbor Freight, plus I'm a Harbor Freight member, I get cash back basically by using their card. I was able to get this for nearly nothing. And I've used chainsaws in the past, gas ones, when I did have a house. So I'm well aware how to use these safely, but I figured this is a compact one. It should be sufficient for my needs on the go. I don't have this together yet because it is, like I said, going into winter. I don't anticipate using it right now. They do state in the instructions, the chainsaw blade, which is in here, be soaked in oil overnight before you use it initially the first time. Make sure when you buy it, get yourself some chainsaw oil. You still require that even though it's electric, and have that handy. So that's one part of this equation. What's the other part? Well, chainsaws can be messy, right? You use them, so they're going to have dust, debris, dirt on them. Leaking oil usually is going to be the case. So you don't want that really running around in your Jeep, do you? Or whatever vehicle you use. So I was looking into that online and trying to find some options that might serve the needs in relation to that. I looked just in general search, and I did search on Amazon, and I found this bag called by, I believe the company's name is Onovi. The bag is like $30-some, I believe 37, and this is my first time opening it. I just got a little bit ago. So I want to share with you some of the features of this bag. One of the things they did state is this bag is waterproof. So I'm assuming that will also help in not having oil leak out of the bag. The company that it makes it, you can see on that tag there. And let's open this up. Let's take a look. So you can see it is designed for a chainsaw. We have the blade area here. And they do just say in the description of the bag that it is designed for a compact bag. So there is a platform at the bottom of it, and there is tie downs in the bottom of the bag and a shoulder strap. This is a shoulder strap you can use to carry with you. There is handholds for it. And there is a Velcro strap in the bottom of the bag to help you secure the chainsaw when not in use. This zip-up cover does go over, which does have a mesh insert here. So you have a couple pockets that you can use for tools of that to go with the chainsaw. There is a stretch pocket in the front. So I think that would be handy basically to put my chainsaw oil, right? And on the far side here, we do have a couple more bags here. And these look pretty ample. There's mesh inserts in them as well, and some additional pockets. So I think this is going to be really handy to carry with me on the go. I will share the link in the description below on this, and I hope you found this handy. I will try to do some other videos in relation to the upcoming holidays, because I know we are all looking for something to maybe give that significant other, or maybe treat ourselves. And I hope you would find those helpful. Another video that's coming out is basically in relation to lights that I'm being sponsored on. This is not a sponsored product. Keep in mind, I bought this in my own accord, but I did have a company reach out to me asking me to review lights. So at this point, I will be sharing with you my initial unboxing of that coming up pretty shortly, and then I will do install, and I'm hoping to get that done before we start getting cold. In my neck of the woods, we do get winter pretty quick, and it can get pretty cold. I don't get outside all that much to do installs if it's pretty nasty out. So, till next time, I hope you found this helpful. As I said, please consider giving a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. I always like having you folks stop by. Share with me any thoughts you have on the video. I always like to learn as well. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye.